Here's another video of a 10-20 measurement. I will mark my nasien, then my inian, which is roughly around this area. Then I will mark my preauriculars. So here's my nasien, my preauricular, my inian, and my other preauricular. What I would usually do, I would measure from nasien to inian. And I get 32. Half of 32 is 16. Then I go up my 10%, which is 3.2. 3.2 times 2, which is my 20%, 6.4. Then I can just verify from, 6.4. I can make another 6.4 mark. And then my last, kind of like to go from inian up to get my 10%. So that would be at 3.2. And then this measurement, I can just check it to see if it's 6.4. And it is. So next, I will do my preauriculars. And I will go behind CZ. And I get 32. Half of 32. 16. Go up 3.2. Try to make my lines a little long. I do my other 10% on that side. 3.2. Then I would do my 20%, 6.4. Then I can just verify 6.4. Go ahead and do another 6.4. And then I can just verify on this mark. See if I get my 6.4. And I do. I will go ahead and make a cross. Line down the middle, lining up with the nose. That would be my FPZ. Alright. Then I would do the circumference going under the 10% marks. And I get 48. So what I do is half of 48 is 24. So I will go ahead mark my 24 in the back. But before I do that, go ahead and get my 10% up front. And I'll put it at 2.4. Mark it at the 0. Mark it at the 4.8. 24. Alright, so this would be my I think I screwed up a little bit. 4.8 is over here. And then, so that'll be my FP1, FP2, and my OZ in the back. Now we'll do the same thing to the back. 2.4. Zero. 4.8. Alright, and that would be my O2 and my O1. Then I'm gonna go around 4.8. And I'm using a straight edge of the ruler to mark my circumference. And then I can verify between my T6 and my O1. Yep, 4.8. 4.8. And then from my F8 to my FP2, I can just verify. And 4.8. Then I'm gonna do my perisagittals. I will go from O1 I'm sorry, FP1 to my O1. And I get about 21.5. So half of 21.5 is 10.75. Now we get that cross right there, and that cross is my C3. And I might have to bring out the calculator. So half of 10.75. Well, I know 10.5 is 5.75. 5.8. 7. and I would not make a cross right there. I would do the same thing to the other side, going from my FP2 to my O2. And I get the same thing. 21.5. .75, so it'll be right here. Got that cross. 5.8. 7. Then I'm gonna do my perisagittal, my anterior and my posterior. Started with my F8. Get 20.5. So that would be 10.25. You can see the numbers kind of lining up. So got my mark right there. That's my FZ. Then I'm gonna do half of 10.25, 5.125. I hope I'm correct in my math. And I can just join this mark. Do the same thing to the posterior. I would go from my T6 to T5. And I get 21. To have a 21 is 10.5. Half of 10.5 is 5.25. And that would be my marks. You can see how it kind of line up with everything. So this is my FPZ, FP1, FP2. This is my FZ, F3, F7, F4, F8, my CZ, C3, T3, C4, T4, my PZ, P3, T5, my P4, T6. And if I turn it around, it would be my OZ, my O2, and my O1. And it's because head is the opposite way. So my O1 will be on my left and O2 on the right. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.